how to unlink Xbox account from Epic Games. So the thing that we want to do is go to epicgames.com here, the website, click on the icon, and we want to sign in with our Epic Games account here. So just log in with your account. I'm just going to do this real quick, sign in, and just select maybe later here. And after we have signed in with our account, we will hover over the person icon here. We will go to account. This will take us to a new page with our account settings. Scroll down until you see the option for apps and accounts here. And you will be able to see Xbox right here. If it is connected, you will simply have to click on remove, like I have for Steam here, but under Xbox, just click on remove, and this will unlink our Xbox account from Epic Games. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.